Got a bump. Woo! Hey, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Honda Navi video. This is my third video of this playlist. First video is a walk around of the Honda Navi with Quasimotard himself. Second is the first part of this ride video. So definitely check that one out if you're gonna watch this one. I got Quasimotard with me. I got Right About Now with me, doing a little mini moto run back from Bucky's back to Quasi's crib. A little joking around and everything. I'm on helmet comms with Right About Now. It's not the best quality, but hope you'll get a little something out of it, and I just wanted to share. ThrillMouseMoto. Yeah, dog. Right About Now on the Super Cub. ThrillMouseMoto on the Navi. Quasi on the trail. 125. Honda Squad. Gotta get it. Dude, I'm vlogging Quasi style with Quasi. Live audio, no post audio. Yeah, I can hear you now. Oh, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not Quasi level yet, dude.
Go ahead.
Okay. He wilding for that. I was like, I wouldn't have thought to ride on the shoulder like that too, but.
Oh, he had to get out of the way.
Yeah. Look at him, dude. Now he is like Chips. Did you see him swerving like that? Oh, I still got my blinker on. It's crazy. 2 wheels in this wind at this speed I'm not used to, so it like the crosswind and stuff like that is wild to me, dude. I'm not used to it. I got like 3 wheels on me, dude. I'm not used to that. Man, this thing is awesome. So quiet too, bro. It's like I feel like I'm riding something electric. Yeah, dog. Dude, I can only imagine the crazy wind that Quasi gets pushed around in.
Yeah.
In those places he goes in the wide open, dude. My biggest thing that was keeping me away is that I don't have a enclosed, like I have a carport that I have, you know, that I pay for, and then that one storage parking, but dang, that wind trips me out. But I don't have like an.
The ground floor, you should take this out your parking.
Yeah, but I don't. I'm on the, and see, and that's why I chose to do electric than do a small bike, because dude, I could have bought one of these and had money for upgrades, because like I said, mine was over 3,000, my electric bike. But I was all like, I'd have to leave it, anything with gas, I'd have to leave it outside. And then even like they make the China versions of bikes like this that are electric, you know? And it's like, ooh. And if they're heavy, you know? So what am I, take it up the stairs, dude?
Oh, you're not on the ground floor?
No, I'm on the second floor. It's a straight shot though, so.
Oh, okay.
I don't have to like make a turn, you know, or it's like a half stair and then whatever. It's just one straight shot up. Yeah, I take the battery out and everything, dude. I try to make it as light as possible before I try to take it up there. So did I use was this super full and I just used like half a tank doing that?
Does it have a tank?
Oh yeah, it's got it, yeah.
I never saw a tank somewhere, but yeah, I think it does at the top somewhere.
Yeah, a little tiny one. And you're all about that style too. There you go. I like that whole like little cage thing he's got on his bike too.
The back?
The red one?
The back?
No, he's got it on the sides. Those black bars. Watch out for this tree thing. I don't know what that is. He's got those black bars all over the sides of his trail.
Section bars. I didn't even notice.
Oh yeah. No, that makes it tight. It adds to the trail name, in my opinion. Got a bump. Woo! I think with your knees up and all this stuff like that too, it gives you that
Let's go. Go.
that dirt bike feel, you know?
Yeah.
Where you're kind of sitting up on it like close, and then your knees are the way they are. So if you're used to that, like me, like I said, that's the only time I'm on two wheels. So that'd be cool if this was closed. To get if you had your drone, dude, and we could be in the parking lot posted up, and you get some drone shots around that. You know, if it was closed.
Yeah.
Damn. The gauge isn't like in my face. You know what I mean? Like I have to like look way down. Well, your gauge stuff is like right in front of your face, though.
Yeah.
This is like I have to like I'm looking down at my feet to see the gauge on this side. I go like this.
It's gonna be like that with all the bikes.
Yeah, that's it. Forgot to close my visor. I don't know how much audio we can hear. What color would you do on the Navi?
Probably red.
Really? Oh, yeah, who am I asking, dude?
I guess I'll just stick to the red.
I know, dude.
Right.
Yeah.
Actually, I like the green too.
You know.
I don't know what other colors they have. I haven't seen it.
Oh, it's like it's not even like a desert. It's like
Like a sand color?
No, it's not. It's more mud. Like if a mud. You know how the sand color.
Like a brown color?
It's like a drab brown. You know what I mean? Like.
I don't know if it looks cool. Why not?
Yeah. No, it does. That's why I'm thinking that. I think I would want that one. I think it'll accent cooler with the black parts, you know?
Yeah.
If it's like that. Hell yeah. And then you could put like white stickers would pop on it too. Like if you did white decals.
Yeah.
I think that'd be tight too. But you know what? As much as I was all like, I don't know if I'd do that green. This green is pretty tight, dude. I think it looks cool.
Green?
Yeah. Are you wearing sunglasses or just using your visor? Oh, because I was thinking, man, these are polarized, and I keep forgetting not to wear them when I'm like riding because things look trippy, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Whatever.
I stopped wearing polarized.
Yeah. Well, I didn't mean to. I don't drink the Kool-Aid when it comes to upselling stuff like that, you know. But these are discontinued frames that were my favorite a long time ago, and I had to buy them like, you know, new in box or whatever, and I paid like a premium for them. They're called Fire Drills by Arnett. Same color scheme and everything, and they came in polarized. My original ones were the cheap ones because I don't buy polarized stuff, so I had to buy them. And so the first week I had them, I didn't take them off because I wear actual glasses too sometimes.
Okay.
So I don't take them off too quick because I think I'm wearing my glasses. And you know how they use like LED screens now for menus and stuff at places? I'm like looking at the menu and I'm looking at these people just staring at it, and I was all like, what the hell am I supposed to, how am I going to order if they're broke, you know, because all the screens are black.
Yeah.
And I was all like, this is ridiculous, you know. And then I'm watching my girlfriend, I'm like, what are you looking at? And then I take my glasses off, and it's because I was wearing polarized glasses. Because you can't see TVs and stuff, dude. It's crazy.
Yeah, part of your car screens, you know, cell phones.
Dude, this is like the Ryker all over again. I feel like I'm not supposed to be on the road with it, dude. Like I'm waiting for a cop to get his, like it's something someone showed us in their driveway, and we weren't supposed to like leave the front street, and we were like, screw it, and then we beep.
You're supposed to stay on the walkway, sir.
Yeah, dude. I really thought the only way you can get something like this and this feel is if it was electric, and this has definitely proved me wrong because, you know, with it being automatic and everything, you know, and how smooth it is doing it, that's wild. Yeah, I wish I never got on it. I've been avoiding it. I held off on it. When was there? I feel like there was another opportunity for me to ride it. There was. I guess he came to Austin or something, and he's all like, come on. No, it was the Rebel. He was trying to get me on the Rebel, and I was like, hell no, because that costs more than this. You know what I mean? Because I already wanted one, dude. Like before he got it, because of him, he was talking about it and stuff like that. And I was like, wait, what is this? And he had it on order or whatever, and I looked into it, and I was like, I don't need to go anywhere near that, dude. I can tell you, like, no joke, dude, if I didn't get the board, because like I said, My first choice was the Vanderhall as my second thing, and then once I realized that wasn't the best idea for me, I was gonna look at the Rebel, getting something like this, or the board, and then I ended up going with the board. So. Quasi, no, I am not trying to do that, dude. Right? Are we?
We can if you want. Go ahead.
No.
Okay.
This is my first time on something like this.
Okay.
I mean, not on a motorcycle, period, but you know.
When this car stops, follow me. Okay, come on.
In the past 20 years.
Follow me. You got plenty of room. Follow me. There, plenty of room. He didn't want to do it. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go cross me. I'll block the car behind. Go ahead.
Oh, that cramped my leg in a weird way. I think it went away. Yeah, there it goes. Shook it loose. Yeah, I always tell people when they talk about gear or whatever, I'm like, bro, I'm on 3 wheels, and then now look at me. But I didn't know I was gonna be riding this, dude. I'd totally be in something, at least blue jeans, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So,
I mean, it's for sure.
yeah. But yeah, I tell them, like, cause I have like homeboys and they're like, man, maybe one day, but I don't know. I was like, bro, hell no. You ride 2 wheels? Trust me, I would not be out, I would not be in swim. I mean, obviously I am right now, but if it was planned or whatever, I wouldn't be in those swim trunks and short sleeves and crazy stuff like that on 2 wheels. Yeah, old Navi. I like it too much, that's the problem. Yeah, exactly, that's what I told people. He was trying to tell people about it, and I go, don't tell him about it, I want it. Just being silly, guys. Everyone has a chance to win. You have to go to Quasimotard's channel. All the info or the link to his channel is in this video description. Check him out. You know, other than the giveaway, it's an awesome channel. I'm sure if you're here, you've already been through Quasimotard's channel, so I'm not telling you anything new. But the Navi giveaway is live. More details on his channel, everything through his channel. Check it out through the link there in the description. Also, right about now, who I was on comms with, like I said, kind of disappointed in the quality of how my thing recorded. I'll get better next time so you can hear more right about now. But I did want to share, you know, the one-sided fun that you could hear that we had. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to ThrillMouseMoto. I was paid to say this since Barry said he felt kind of weird asking. He also wanted me to say Baja Blast slams and yeah dog, ThrillMouseMoto.